Hello students, this is Sridhar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. Good morning to all. Right, today I would like to discuss one more problem on linear differential equation. Right, before going to our problem, please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get my new video notifications. Right students, let us dive into our topic, that is linear differential equation. So already I explained you what is the general form of linear differential equation. So the general form of linear equation is of two types. One is dy by dx plus py equal to dy by dx plus py equal to q. Did you remember it? Yeah, very good. So if the general form of the differential equation is dy by dx plus py equal to q, then the first step is we have to find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor for this? If is equal to e to the power integral p dx, and the solution is q into if. Q into if is equal, sorry, not q, yes, good. So always remember that y into if is equal to RHS part consisting of q into if into dx. This is the solution plus some constant c. Okay students, now if the equation is of the form dx by dy, dx by dy, dx by dy plus px equal to q, dx by dy plus px equal to q, then the integrating factor, the step number 1 integrating factor, what is the if formula is e to the power of integral p dy, and the solution, what is the solution? Y into if, y into if, not y, yes, x into, right sir. So for dy by dx plus py, it is y into, but for dx by dy plus px, that is x into if is equal integral q into if into dy, right, dy in the place of x, here it is dy, and in the LHS part in the place of y, x replaces. X into if is equal to integral q into if into dy. So this is the solution. Now we will move to our problem. Right students, here given, solve the differential equation, solve the differential equation 1 plus y square plus x in minus e power tan inverse y of dy by dx equal to 0. 1 plus y square plus x minus e power tan inverse y of dy by dx equal to 0. So if you observe this equation, here x is the linear term, x is the linear term, okay, because here 1 plus y square is there, e power tan inverse y is there, y term is not linear, here x term is the linear. So we can convert this equation in the linear differential equation in terms of x only, okay. In that way you can identify either the given equation can be converted to the linear differential equation in terms of y or in terms of x, okay students. So here we can write the linear differential equation in this form: dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Let us simplify this. How did we write it? How do we write it? Okay, so first hello, right students, yeah. So here first the equation can be like this: 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square equal to minus of x minus e power tan inverse y into dy by dx. Now we are doing cross multiplication dy by dx, so then it can be written as 1 plus y square into dx by dy, okay, is equal to minus x, minus into minus plus e power tan inverse y. Now 1 plus y square into dx by dy plus x. Take the minus x to the LHS side. Plus x equal to e power tan inverse y. Okay. So now it is of the form 1 plus y square dx by dy plus x is equal to e power tan inverse y. Now we divide by total equation with 1 plus y square. Then we get dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x is equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay. So totally dividing by 1 plus y square. Dividing by 1 plus y square. Dividing by 1 plus y square. So if we divide the equation by 1 plus y square, what we get? Dx by dy, okay, dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x is equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay students, so in this way you get this equation. Okay students, right. Now it is clearly of the form dx by dy plus py is equal to q. Dx by dy plus py of x is equal to qy. Okay, here p and q are in terms of y, and the differential equation is in terms of linear differential equation in terms of x. Now py is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square, qy is equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay, now the if is equal to if is equal e to the power integral p dy, e to the power of integral p dy. Here what is p? 1 by 1 plus y square. So e power 1 by 1 plus y square into dy. Already we know what is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Tan inverse x. So integration of 1 by 1 plus y square is tan inverse y. So e power tan inverse y is the integration. So q into if is equal to, not q, sorry, always I am saying q into, but not q here, x into, don't be confused, x into if, x into e power tan inverse y is equal to q is e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into, already we get e power tan inverse y as if, so e power tan inverse y into dy plus c. So x into e power tan inverse y is equal to e power tan inverse y into e power tan inverse y. So bases are equal, you can add the powers, that is e power 2 tan inverse y into 1 by 1 plus y square into dy plus c. Now I have to do the integration. How to do the integration? So here e power 2 tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So if we take tan inverse y is equal to t, tan inverse y is equal to t 1 by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to dt. So here e power 2t into dt, the integration changes to e power 2t into dt. So e power 2t into dt integration is e power 2t by 2 plus c. Okay, so what is t here? Our assumption tan inverse y. So the integration is x into e power tan inverse y is equal to e power 2 tan inverse y by 2, e power 2 tan inverse y by 2 plus c. Okay students, this is the integration. So this is the solution. Okay students, is it clear? Okay students, right. Thank you for listening the class. So can I repeat once? Yeah. So here the given differential equation is 1 plus y square plus x minus e power tan inverse y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So here the given differential equation is clearly in linear differential equation in terms of x. So you can convert the equation into the form dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square by doing some calculation part. Now the equation is dx by dy plus py into x is equal to qy. Then the if is e to the power of integral p dy So py is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square. So e power 1 by 1 plus y square, that is e power tan inverse y. So LHS part x into e power tan inverse y is equal to integral e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into e power tan inverse y into dy plus c. This is the solution. So we can take it as e power 2 tan inverse y into 1 by 1 plus y square into dy. Let us consider tan inverse y is equal to t, then 1 by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to dt. So integration changes to e power 2t into dt. So e power 2t integration is e power 2t by 2. So the RHS part is e power 2 tan inverse y by 2 plus c. Okay students, thank you very much for listening the class. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon if you like my videos, and if you support me I will do more videos for you. Thank you very much. Signing off, Sridhar.